Looking for a place that elegantly combines the comfort of home and the values of community? Take a look at Clovis's beautiful Harlan Ranch. Tucked between the city of Clovis in the Clovis Unified School District and the foothills of the Sierra National Forest, Harlan Ranch's idyllic location offers the perfect union of town and country. Multiple shopping areas are just minutes away, housing both locally owned and popular chain businesses and restaurants. With just a short drive, you can be in Old Town Clovis, where the schedule of special events has become synonymous with fun and excitement. Or enjoy quality time at monthly events coordinated for residents. From movies in the neighborhood park to an exclusive wine club, there are plenty of options for friendly interaction and fun for your family. Visit guarantee.com/Harlan Ranch to see every available listing, or contact our office at 650-6000 for a licensed realtor who can help you find your new home in the beautiful neighborhood of Harlan Ranch.